I hope it's picking this up. See if you can get this. This is lightning. Lighting up like the entire sky. And it's just starting to rain.
It's been doing this for like a couple minutes.
I know, it's been doing this for a long time. I don't know, are you sure that's lightning? That's way too constant.
It's
and
not
just...
like a strobe light. Totally, it's gotta be.
That's just really cool. Starting to rain on us out here. Hey, you pretty lady. That's really cool. Wow. Anyways, over here you have the west wing of our house. That's kind of what I'm pointing at over here. It's usually the servants' quarters, but we've got some friends staying over. Not at all the office of our apartment complex. Pretty cool.